Pure Country Weavers is one of the last great American textile mills. We take raw cotton thread from its inception and weave tapestry blankets and ship them literally worldwide. My name is George Clark, and I'm the president of Pure Country Weavers. This is one of those rare occurrences where our desire to do something goes solar, and our customers' desire to have products that had a sustainable base, made in America, using sustainable energy consumption, meshed perfectly. I have customers that absolutely applaud us for what we're doing. Down below us, we have 22 jacquard looms, and what that means to the layperson is we can handle fluctuations in order volume from a daily capacity of 500 blankets a day to 4,000 blankets a day. The amazing thing about this place is most of our order production for today will come in today. We make and ship everything on demand. Direct to consumer, high-end artists, large corporations for photo blankets, music and event industry, concerts and promotions like that. Those industries require us to come forth with paperwork that says, this is our commitment to green energy. For the sake of our customers, it's imperative we do this. Around here up in the mountains, we get electricity consistently most of the time, but we could very easily in the middle of the afternoon not have electricity at all. So having something like this is a bit of a dream for me. Just in this first year alone, we're going to save $40,000. Over the lifetime of this installation, it's expected to save us $2 million. We have made this commitment, and as a U.S. factory, making our own power, using the power of the sun.